Alright, here's Brandon. He's sitting here drinking a can of Miller Lite, Miller High Life. See it? You see the top? Not open. He's gonna attempt to shotgun this beer in a couple seconds. Alright? Okay, puncture the hole in it. Go for it.
Hey, this is my very first time ever doing this.
Oh, pussy. Like, nope, yep.
I hope I'm doing this right.
Yep, right there.
I hope I did that right.
Come on, hurry up. You're on camera here. Alright, popped a little hole in there. Hand me the knife, and throw it on the ground. I don't trust you. Alright. 3.
Oh my god, I did it upside down.
Alright, wherever, you're still doing it. It's upside down, but you're still doing it. Go! Get it, get it, get it, get her, get her, get her!